We are here for the photo shooting. We are starting some static photo, but yeah, the weather doesn't allow us to start. I'm Andrea Verona, I'm riding for GASGAS factory racing team. We are here and the conditions are not perfect, I would say. Now it starts to rain again. All the stuff is sick in this bike. With a new style and looks really cool, the bike. I like a lot. You just need to look to the shoes. Do I need to speak? Tomorrow we go for action, so tomorrow we start to have some fun and we give a first look to the new graphics, new bike. It's looking good, it's looking full red, so full get on the gas into the new season. Nice weather finally, right day to a photo shoot today. We can save the day, I would say. I think we have some apps over there that will be nice, and I think also some grass corner. I think we can find some cool spots. Yeah, in 2023 I jumped from the 250 to the 350 because I like the power, I like the handling of the bike, and it's really nice. The 250 you have to ride quite aggressive. With the 350 you have the power, so you have to ride a little bit more smooth. The 350 has more acceleration, so you're getting the speed much faster. I was expecting more edge between the ground and the rock, you know? Yeah. I was expecting more impact. There were no impact and The best race from last year was EnduroGP in Slovakia. After some difficult runs, I would say, we were able to get back in a good position. We find a small road gap and now we're gonna try it. Let's go. Maybe down is a little bit more technical, you know, you just have to bring more speed and drop into the landing. One of the most important things to have a good team. You are always talking with the mechanic, with the team manager, with the suspension guys, so for sure I'm the only one on the bike, but everything counts, you know. If you want I can wheelie, double also this one. And then up, I don't know if you're there, you take it or... Once one race we were in France. After the race was full of people, really full. Everybody was asking for a shirt, for a gloves, for something. I was still dressed from the race, so I give everything I had on me. To a kid I give front tire and rear tire, but still dirt from the race. Everything, eyelines, everything, gloves, a lot of things, and they were killing each other for taking something. That was pretty cool. To ride for GASGAS is special. For me, I train not only enduro, but I train motocross, I ride trial, I train with bicycles, so I can have at my disposal for training all kind of bikes. I'm really proud to wear the red GASGAS color also for this year. Yeah, the dream is to be a world champion and to be a professional rider. When you start, you are really far from this. You do it for fun, to be with the friends, to have fun. The dream is to be one of those guys you see on the TV or on the videos. You don't know if you are capable to arrive till there. It's not something that is written somewhere or you are sure that you can arrive. There are a lot of things that needs to be together to arrive to be a professional rider and to be world champion. I'm really happy and proud to be here today, so for sure when I was 6, I was not expecting to be a world champion. For sure my goal for 2024 is bringing back the world championship win, because last year I missed it and that's my goal for sure. Be as fast as I can at all the races, and also 6 days for me it's an important race, so I try to fight for the first position overall, because 3 years in a row that I finished second. So I would like to get the win.